cannot say, I'll control my situations. You cannot say, I'm starting the action, I'll complete it surely. You cannot guarantee, I'm doing all yogas, my body will be very, very fit. You cannot say. I was in Bombay, and some people don't do any yoga, still they are so fit, I can't tell you. One person was in Bombay, very hefty person, around 60. 4 samosas he ate in front of me. After that namkeen, after that gulab jamun. So I just asked him. I was afraid. Because body was too heavy. I said, sometimes, how to say? I said, do you go for some checkup sometime? You should go for checkup once in a year also. He smiled, he got my point. He said, I'm engineer in Indian Airlines, Air Force. I have 6 monthly checkups. I said, everything is normal. He said, diabetes normal, BP normal, everything is normal. I said, you continue eating. You just don't know. And some are there, very little, very small, patle, duble agarbatti ki tarah. Ye hai, give me half samosa. Give me, I don't take. Still there is blood pressure type. You just don't know what is disease. And please not get my point. All of us have to pass away. And to pass away, we need some bahana, some excuse, some disease has to come. The person who is running and jumping and hopping to go from bedroom to washroom is a project. And therefore, you need some bodily diseases also to be cured. 3 places assistance, situational level, जरा सब शांत रखना आसपास लोगों को. We are powerless situationally, we are powerless actionally, and we are powerless bodily also. And mentally तो पूछो ही मत. Little things required to disturb a person. Just make him aware what he doesn't have and he wanted. You want to disturb someone, just find out what he didn't have and he wanted it. बस थोड़ी सी चर्चा करो. If supposing the person doesn't have child, he doesn't have a son or a daughter, just mention 1-2 lines. Bas, he'll be out. You will know. Now I am coming back. Our biggest require is the all-powerful Ishwar. You have a power, but your power is not available for everybody. Your power is available for the one who calls you, loves you. You also have some money, you also have some love, you don't give it to everybody. You give it to that person who calls you. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने प्यार नहीं किया किसी से. I also have a lot of love, but will you give to everybody? No, I have reserved it. उनको ही देंगे, ज्यादा नहीं देंगे. And if you really are happy, you will say so much of love is flowing from him. And therefore somebody will complain also. To that person you love a lot. But what he did to get that love, you ask that also. फ्री में नहीं दिया है आपने किसी को love. He has done something. He has called you. Rudram is a mantras to trap that infinite power. Mantras are the cryptic, power-loaded sound which catch the infinite power of the Lord to set these 4 things: situation, action, body, mind, intellect, zone. This connection of the microcosm and the macrocosm is done through prayers. By yourself, you will never be able to sort out all the problems of your life. You are happy not because of your talent. Who is behind you? Is somebody behind you or you are alone? This money, power, position, contact can give some area they can sort the matter out. But there is a big area of uncertainty, loneliness, helplessness. You cannot do anything. And if we have that way to trap that power, that is called prayers. And therefore, please note, don't make spiritual life optional. It is mandatory. Happiness is a feeling of powerfulness. Sadness is a feeling of powerlessness and helplessness. क्या होगा क्या हमारे साथ कोई है? To bring that power, these mantras are used. And it is technically called Namakam and Chamakam. Because Namah word has been used more than 300 times. Therefore it is called Namakam. And Chamakam is used where Chame has been used. We will see later on. I hope this is clear. Not say I am a good person, I don't do anything wrong, Swamiji. Why we need God? Who told you are a good person? First thing. Yourself you are giving certificate. I do good. How there is no day you do all good. Mentally we do wrong things, if not physically. Physically I do, people will throw me out. How can you say like that? Who can say all situations are under my control? Who can say my body is in my control? I need infinite power to behind me. Is it okay? You can chant Sundarkand for that. You can chant Vishnu Sahasranam for that. No problem. You can chant Gajendra Moksha for that. You can chant Durga Shakti for that. And remember that infinite Jnana Shakti, Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Dravya Shakti in infinite measure. One who is the possessor of all these Shaktis in infinite measure is called God. And one who is holder of these Shaktis in a very minuscule measure is called Jeev. And everybody is nothing but wants the power. Nobody marries for marriage. He wants the power of wife. Some power of serving he wants. Nobody wants husband. He wants the power of somebody earns for me. I want the power of love. You don't want a person. You want some power. You don't want a job. You want some power of recognition, power of money for me now. Power of action for me now. Is it okay? And more we have such all-powerful God available for us, more knowledgeable you will become. So one who has this God, when he will talk or when he will think, immediately the God will become active in his mind. And therefore saints have so much of infinite knowledge. If the situation will be better for a person who has God behind him. I hope this is clear. Is it okay? Can I move forward? There is a lot. 5 days are there. For the Rudramas. Okay, good. Now I'll talk about mantra. God is not an optional. आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे. Too much of upasana is required before you enter into Vedanta. Otherwise, situation itself will be disturbed. Somebody will trouble. You don't be we are product of mixed fruits of accidents. Something good will happen. There is nothing called everything is going on very well. Either a person is foolish or he's lying. Again, shall I say? There is nothing called सब अच्छा है. नहीं, सब अच्छा आपकी दृष्टि में है. It is in your vision. लेकिन there is nothing called बहुत ही सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है. Husband, wife, children, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, mother-in-law, father-in-law. हाँ, money matters, body matters, office matter. Everything is okay, excellent. Not possible. ठीक है ना? कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा है. हो ही नहीं सकता. There is some area. There are painful attention seekers in everybody's life. This painful attention seeker is called pap. Knees are paining. Paining means what? It is seeking my attention painfully. And joyful attention giver is called punya. Somebody asks, what will you eat? He is giving attention. पुण्य का मतलब यही है. There is difference between economy class and the business class. Economy class you go, they will have some thing, they'll drop like that. Yes. Business class you go, you do like that. They'll take out your coat. They'll wish, hello, how are you? Fine. I'm Matthews, I'm your service. Thank you. You'll have hot or cold. First bring cold till the hot is prepared. So this is the business. Shall I get the bed for you? Of course. Wait. What they are doing? They are giving joyful attention. Who is a good wife? She gives joyful attention. Who is not a good wife? She is painful attention seeker. Today also you are late. Same with the husband also. Anybody, any situation, painful attention seeker is, that issue is taking my attention a lot. That issue.